Hi, Mike.
Hi.
So I hear you're going to cook something good for supper tonight.
Yes, it is cheesy chicken cauliflower skillet.
Okay, cool. So what do we need to do to get started?
Well, first we're gonna heat up the oil, olive oil, and then we're gonna put the rice cauliflower, mushrooms, and minced garlic in and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, so we start with the olive oil?
Yes.
All right, how much olive oil are you putting in?
2 teaspoons.
There's 1.
Here's 2.
2. All right, so we got 2 tablespoons of olive oil then.
Teaspoons.
I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons. Keep me on my game.
So then we're gonna do it is 12.3 ounces riced cauliflower.
Okay.
And always make sure you have your hands washed really good.
Yeah, I saw you washing them before we got started.
And we're gonna do 4 ounces of mushrooms.
Okay. So those are just like regular sliced white mushrooms?
Yes, that you can get anywhere.
Alright.
We go to Aldi's for ours.
Okay, 4 ounces.
And then 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic.
Okay.
Which is 2 cloves.
Okay, so 2 cloves is 2 teaspoons. So 1 teaspoon for each clove in a recipe?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Good to know.
Now we will let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. And I'll be stirring periodically.
All right. Well, I don't want to keep everybody going for 3 to 4 minutes, so I'll check back in with you in just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been a few minutes, so what do we do next?
So we're gonna pour in half a cup of chicken broth.
Okay. I can smell it. It smells so good.
And we'll let that cook for a little bit longer. And then we will add the rest of our ingredients.
So what are we waiting for on this part?
To start getting tender. So we don't want to get all the way tender because this cooks for a little bit longer.
Okay.
So what we're looking for is to see like the mushrooms get a little bit softer.
Alright. And the broth is boiling, is that okay?
Yes, we want it to boil.
Okay. Alright.
It's gonna cook in and give the rice, cauliflower some flavor.
Okay, cool. Looks pretty tender to me.
Yes, so what we'll do now is refer to the recipe.
Okay. So,
Add the chicken.
okay.
So that is 12 ounces of canned chicken breast.
Oh, okay, cool. And I think I saw you draining that earlier?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. So, and we weigh everything, right?
Yes.
Do we trust?
Ounces.
Okay, so we don't like trust that the can has 12 ounces if it says that?
No,
Okay, cool.
because that's probably including water.
Okay, all right. So we added the chicken.
Now we do this, cook this for 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is heated thoroughly. And we'll reduce the heat.
Okay, so we're just gonna kind of simmer that for a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it when you chop that chicken up. Make sure we get it all spread around. This is looking pretty good.
Yes, it's a family classic. One of the first recipes we did.
Yep, that's right. It does go against one of my standards of it all being kind of in that one color line where everything is kind of white tan.
I will throw some green in there.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna put some green in here in a little bit.
Yes, we're gonna put some scallions. 3 ounces of scallions.
Okay. Well, that looks pretty hot.
Yes, it is. So what we will do is stir in mozzarella cheese, the oregano, and top with scallions. So we have 8 ounces of low-fat mozzarella cheese.
So that's the stuff that says like low fat, part skim.
Yep. Yes.
Okay, all right, good. 8 ounces.
Yes. And then dried oregano.
Okay.
Half a teaspoon.
Oh, half a teaspoon. Okay. There we go. We give it a little bit of color here. It's still kind of that greenish brown though. Oh yeah, it stands out great against that cheese. And you know, cheese is my favorite food group.
And then, yes, I heard.
And
your
the
green.
onions. Yep. So we got some green and more white, but that's okay.
And we add the onions last just because it will stay, it won't like get soft all the way. It'll add a little texture to it.
Okay, cool. So now how many servings is this?
4 servings.
4 servings?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of food.
Yes, but you can break it up and have it 4 days if you're just by yourself.
Okay, all right. Yeah, we've been doing leftover night recently. I could see me eating this for leftovers. That looks pretty good. Is that it? Are we done?
Yes, we are done. So what I'll do is try and smooth this out, level this out, and then I'll just divide the skillet up into 4s
Okay.
and plate it up.
All right. And when you plate it up, how do we know everybody's getting the same amount?
We will measure it.
Oh, we measure our food?
Yes.
Oh, you mean when we weigh it on the scale?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So we gotta be fair in this house. Fair is not just where we ride rides.
That's what I used to tell the kids.
Awesome, that looks so good. I can't wait to eat. I better stop this video so that I can make sure I get my fair share.
Yes.
Thanks for cooking my...
Hey, see you next time.